There are a lot of moving parts right now in the Canadian real estate market. And how will it specifically affect Edmonton's real estate market with trade wars, with elections around the corner? There's tons to talk about. So let's talk about it, specifically the Edmonton market, but as well, we have to expand and look at the relationships between Canada and the US. It's a wild time. So far, Edmonton's market has been holding strong, but should you expect that to continue? There might be a little bit of a cooling effect, but we're so well insulated here in Edmonton. So we still have a ton of interprovincial migration here to Alberta. Calgary and Edmonton are going to be the major landing points, but Calgary, again, like I've said in previous videos, has had a ton of migration over there. Now, Edmonton is the next landing spot, and we come here for affordability and the space that we have to offer. On the rental market side of things, things are still very hot. Stuff is moving, whether it's getting built as rental properties with revenue suites downstairs. There's a ton of new rentals hitting the market, which means that new population that we just received over the last few years, they're now having places to go, and rental markets are still very strong. On the Canada USA front, things are complicated. With global economics, an election, trade agreements, there's so much in the air right now that everybody's trying to factor in when making a decision about purchasing, selling, or getting into real estate. So things to keep an eye on would be gas and grocery prices, some policy shifts, as well as the election. So here's the kicker. Edmonton is poised to benefit from all this stability. In Alberta, we have strong energy exports, tons of natural resources, and strong ties with the US. So whether you're thinking of investing into Edmonton or holding off for now, don't panic. Lots of things are changing, and over the next couple months, you're either going to see a really big change in the market, or you're going to see things steady as ever. So for people who are looking to buy, sell, or invest into real estate, there are opportunities for everybody right now. And Edmonton or Alberta as a whole is so well insulated. If there is any drastic changes on a countrywide scale, we won't be affected that greatly. Thank you again so much for tuning in. I'd love to hear your thoughts, what you're expecting from in 2025, whether or not it's in the US and Canada, how this is all going to play out in the real estate market, or if you'd like to connect more and learn about how I'm seeing the market here in the Edmonton area. Thank you again, and enjoy the spring.